Midnight Intro, Google Antigravity versus VS Code 2026. Which is more powerful? 0.05 Snapshot. Antigravity is a cloud-native IDE with instant runtime previews. 0.10 Snapshot. Versus Code 2026 is lightweight, extensible, and locally optimized. 0.15 Feature Comparison. UI, extensions, runtime, and AI assistance. 0.20 Split Screen Demo. Antigravity Live App Preview versus VS Code Editor. 0.25 Performance. Cold starts, edit build cycles, and memory footprint. 0.30 Benchmarks. Antigravity runs server-grade sandboxes. VS Code runs local processes. 0.35 Workflow. Team collaboration and CI integration differ in setup and scale. 0.40 Collaboration. Antigravity offers shared live sessions. VS Code uses live share plugins. 0.45 AI and extensions. Antigravity's integrated AI versus VS Code marketplace depth. 0.50 Verdict. Pick Antigravity for cloud-first scale, VS Code for flexibility. 0.55 Final. Try both. Prototype in Antigravity. Develop in VS Code. Subscribe for more.